In this video, we'll teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to your Kraken account. First of all, you need to open the Kraken and copy your wallet address. When you open your Kraken account, you need to click on Transfer and then select Deposit. Right here, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to send from Binance to your Kraken account. For example, let's choose the USDT because it's the most popular one. Then we need to choose the network. For example, I will choose the Ethereum ERC20 network. And now I need to copy the wallet address from my Kraken account. Now I will go to the Binance, click Assets in the bottom right corner. Then you need to click on Send and select On-Chain Withdraw. Right here, you need to select the cryptocurrency. In this case, we are sending USDT, and we need to select the same network. So let's paste the wallet address and then go to the network, and right here we need to choose the same network. So this is Ethereum ERC20 network. Now we need to enter the amount of USDT we want to withdraw. For example, minimum is 10, for example 100, and as you can see there is a small fee, 1.5 USDT. Then click the withdraw, finalize the transaction, and in a few minutes you can check your balance on Kraken. So to check your balance, just go to your Kraken account, and right here on the main page, you will see your available USDT balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.